Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create or insert hyperlink or link in Google Spreadsheet. Open your Google Spreadsheet and select your cell where you want to add hyperlink. Now select this insert option and here you will find this link option. Click here. Now type here your link name or paste. I'll type youtube.com and type here your link name youtube home. Now simply select here apply and see this a link already created here. Now click on this link and check already YouTube open here. Now close it. Same way you can create another hyperlink or web link here. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.